Well, let's try this again. This is the afternoon video briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 2nd of January. This is James Spann. I had some bandwidth issues on the first attempt at this, which is a little odd in that we rarely have those here at the TV station. This morning, with the first effort, there was no audio, which was my fault. I fat-fingered a mute button on the keyboard, but I have no idea what the bandwidth problem was. But hey, let's go here. There's so much going on here. You missed a lot of what I was trying to say on the first go-round. So I want to talk you through multiple storm systems we'll deal with and a very active, interesting pattern here for the next 7 to 10 days. This is where we are now. This is the upper air look across the country today. There's a trough off the Atlantic coast, a short wave coming into Texas, and a trough coming into the Pacific Northwest. But we're in between all of that, and it's a nice day today across the Deep South. It's mostly sunny. Got a few high clouds across the northwestern counties of the state, but we're dry. In fact, there's a look at the radar across the country. We note some rain that's breaking out across parts of Texas. That's with this next system that parts of Alabama will experience tomorrow. Also some rain back in the Pacific Northwest. And again today, temperatures are below average. Keep in mind, for Birmingham, the average high for this date, the 2nd of January, is 54. It's only 48 at Birmingham at 2 o'clock, 46 for Cullman, 48 for Huntsville, Montgomery 49. We got low to mid-50s down in parts of South Alabama. There's our watch warning map. Pretty quiet today. We've got some winter weather issues for the mountains out west. Don't expect any severe thunderstorms this week. There could be some thunderstorms tonight, not severe, for parts of Texas and Louisiana. And then tomorrow, a chance of thunder right on the Gulf Coast. And up this way, the air is cool and stable. Certainly no chance of any severe weather. Also a chance of thunder for the coast of California and parts of the Southwest. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a chance of thunder around Amarillo, Lubbock, and Corpus Christi, Texas. But again, nothing severe. So this is the rain for the next 7 days, and a lot where we are, and for a state that is in a drought, that's not bad. This looks like a fairly beneficial stretch of rain here. This is suggesting parts of southwest Alabama, Mobile and Baldwin counties could receive 4 inches of rain. The areas in yellow there. For the rest of the state, amounts between 2 and 4 inches between now and Tuesday morning of next week, with multiple storm systems we'll deal with. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And you can see the very active nature of the pattern here. One wave coming into Alabama, one wave back in the southwestern states. And a little weak surface low forms in the Gulf south of Mobile Bay. This is not going to be a major storm system tomorrow. In fact, the high-resolution guidance really trending dry for the northern half of the state. This is the high-resolution HRRR model, HRRR, valid tomorrow at 20Z. That is 2 o'clock. And really, the better chance of rain along and south of US 80. If you are in Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, or Points North, it might not rain a drop tomorrow. And obviously, with this southern displacement of the precipitation, that really reduces any chance of snowflakes. I think we can pretty much take that idea off the board for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Even if that would have happened, we didn't expect any accumulation or impact. Temperatures trending a little warmer on the high-res guidance. This is suggesting temperatures in the 45 to 50 degree range for much of the state tomorrow afternoon. So again, the day will be cloudy, the day will be cool, and we'll have some light rain, especially for South Alabama. The northern part of the state, probably not much rain at all. Some of you might not see a drop. And again, just for the fun of it, this is the snow output from the National Blend of Models. Total snow potential valid through midday Thursday, and you can see nothing here. So this is Thursday, and again, we're dry. The day should be mostly sunny with highs in the 50s. And then Friday, the next system rapidly approaching. These things are going to come out as fast. During the day Friday, the better chance of rain will likely be west of Alabama, parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, and Arkansas. And then Friday night at midnight, a surface low is near Bruton and Andalusia, near the Florida state line. And that's just a good old-fashioned soaker. No severe storms, just a lot of rain. And then by Saturday afternoon, that system is on by. So it looks like the main window for rain with this feature about 8 o'clock Friday night until 8 o'clock Saturday morning. And this system alone should bring 1 to 2 inches of rain. And then by Saturday afternoon, the bulk of the rain on to the east. And for you snow lovers, snow fans, this could be a pretty good snow day. It's a Saturday for places like Indianapolis, Cincinnati, and Cleveland and Pittsburgh. So let's go to Sunday. A little feature in the upper air could squeeze out a few sprinkles over Tennessee. We think the day here in Alabama should be dry Sunday with highs in the 50s. And then Monday, the next system coming at us quickly. Now, you can see we're still dry. This is Monday afternoon, but by Monday night at midnight, we should be in a big rain mass. The surface low is near Texarkana, with a warm front most likely near the Gulf Coast. Just looks like another big soaker. This could bring 1 to 2 inches of rain. Maybe some strong storms near the Gulf Coast, but there's hardly any instability involved here. And then Tuesday of next week, big trough to the north and west. A deep surface low is north of us and east of us. And that surface low that's southwest of Indianapolis could bring a really good snow to cities like Chicago, Milwaukee, and Detroit. So snow lovers in those cities, hang tight. But for us, you can see a slot of dry air coming in here. So with that feature, it looks like the best chance of rain will be Monday night and Tuesday morning. And again, that could bring 1 to 2 inches of rain to the state. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 12th of January. Big trough in the west. We have a southwest flow aloft and evidence of a few showers, maybe a little off to the west. So at this point, after that Monday night, Tuesday morning rain event next week, much of the rest of the week looking dry. So this is the rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. And you're looking for the green line on that chart. That's the mean of the ensemble members. The mean is about 3 inches between now and the 17th of January. Temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. Birmingham tomorrow with a high of 45. A lot of clouds, probably not much rain. The better chance of rain to the south. And then mostly 50s for the end of this week and the weekend, and really much of next week. And you can see for the next 10 days, there's no sign of any bitterly cold Arctic air coming in here. Again, could the pattern bring that later in January? Yes, but for the next 10 days, we just don't see it for now. And this is hot off the presses. This is the brand new 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for January 10th through the 16th. And if this works out, temperatures here would be near average for the middle part of January. And that would be highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. That's our average for this time of the year. Had a great time today in Bluntsville, J.B. Pennington High School. No students. They're not back in school yet. This was for school employees, a lot of the ancillary employees. Had a lot of CNP workers, bus drivers, aides. It was a great session. Had a lot of fun today up in Bluntsville. Tomorrow going to be at Children's of Alabama. Weather Wednesday. We're going to be in the auditorium, so if you happen to be there, this is for patients and their families. We'll be there tomorrow morning. Thursday, going to Limestone County, Athens, Julian Newman Heart Academy School, and then after that, Good Hope Elementary in Cullman County. And then on Friday, stop number 1, downtown Birmingham, Advent Episcopal School, and then Cahaba Elementary in Trussville. So a busy week, and we have no book event this Saturday. A week from Saturday, it's a special weather event in Selma to commemorate the 1-year anniversary of the tornado that came right through town. And we'll talk much more about that next week. And, of course, we do invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News. By the way, Weather Brains tonight, the weekly show for weather dweebs, geeks, nerds, dorks, weenies. Typically, we're on Monday nights, but we moved it to tonight because of the holiday. So 7 o'clock Central, 8 o'clock Eastern on the Weather Brains YouTube channel, youtube.com/weatherbrains, 7 o'clock Central tonight. And again, ABC 3340 News this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.